Now we're out of the brooder box because these chickens are too big to be in the brooder box in my bathroom, and the place is getting warm enough, so these babies are gonna be going outside. They're now 5 weeks and 6 weeks. Look at them, Buff Orpington in my bathroom brooder box. This is how we do it. I'm not ashamed. This is my guest bathroom. I have a fan that I use to exhaust out everything, and I keep it clean. I come in and clean every day and trap the smell underneath the door with a towel. Try to keep everything away from outside in our living quarters. But you can see somebody poop down there on the ground, so I'm gonna have to come in and clean up. But this is my brooder box. It's a trial. My little thing is outside, my little coop. We're gonna have some birds for the summer. You can do this at home. Angel King lifestyle out.